Welcome back to Ninja's How-To series, where you'll find the best tips, tricks, and ways to get the most out of your new Ninja Sizzle Pro XL indoor griddle and grill. This video will cover how to reduce smoke while cooking, the best ways to prep your griddle or grill surface, how to keep your plates in top shape, and the best practices for cleaning. Let's get started! Let's talk about how to reduce smoke and splattering while cooking on your Ninja Sizzle Pro XL. If you want to get the best results without the extra mess, there are a few important things to keep in mind. First, always use the recommended grill or griddle settings for the best results. Ninja has chef-inspired temperature settings that are perfectly matched to the foods you're cooking. These settings maximize the flavors and textures of your food while minimizing smoke. Cooking food at a higher temperature than recommended can cause it to burn or unwanted splatter. The sticker on the front of the grill has popular foods with recommended cooking temperatures for the lowest amount of smoke and best performance. Here's a quick rundown of the recommended settings for different foods. 325 degrees Fahrenheit is perfect for cooking thicker barbecue sauces and burgers. 375 degrees Fahrenheit is great for frozen meats, marinated proteins, bacon, steak, chicken, and salmon. 400 degrees is your go-to for hot dogs, fried eggs, and grilled cheese. 500 degrees is ideal for veggies, fruit, and fresh or frozen seafood. Another tip to reduce splattering is to use the right oil or fat when cooking. Applying a small amount of oil to your food or the griddle plate helps improve nonstick performance. But it's important to use oils with a high smoke point to prevent any excess smoke or splattering. We recommend oils like canola, refined coconut, avocado, vegetable, or grapeseed oil. Avoid using oils like olive oil, butter, margarine, or cooking spray. These oils and sprays have low smoke points and can cause unwanted splattering and damage to the grill or griddle surface. Stick to the recommended oils for the best cooking experience and to keep your indoor griddle and grill in top condition. Another key tip to reduce smoke is to wait until the unit is fully preheated. It will display the message "Add food" when it's reached the ideal cooking temperature. Waiting for this ensures the food sears perfectly without releasing too much moisture or creating unnecessary splatter. By following these simple tips, using the right temperature, choosing the right oils, and waiting for the preheat, you can enjoy delicious meals with less smoke and splattering. Now that you've mastered reducing smoke and splattering, let's talk about keeping your Ninja Sizzle Pro XL in top shape with easy and effective cleaning tips. After cooking, make sure the unit has cooled down before cleaning. Once it's cool, simply remove the grill or griddle plate from the heating element. Next, soak the plate in hot, soapy water. This helps loosen any leftover food scraps, making it easier to clean. Once soaked, use dish soap and a sponge to scrub off any remaining residue. The non-stick surface makes this step quick and easy. Don't forget to remove the detachable ventilated lid after it cools down. It's easy to wash by hand with a little soap and water to remove any grease or food splatter. With these simple steps, your Ninja Sizzle Pro XL will be clean and ready for your next cooking adventure. Be sure to use the inspiration guide included with your unit. It's a great resource for looking up Ninja's recommended cooking and cleaning tips or finding delicious recipes to try out.